Hello. Welcome to Makeup and Wake Up. Wake Up and Makeup. I can't talk today. My name is Jennifer Woolsey and I'm a top leader with Avon. And we are going to do a quick mommy tutorial and we're going to chat. So stay on with me. Give me some comments. Let me know that you're here. And if you're not seeing a red live button right there, then you're catching a replay or you're watching on YouTube. So drop me a comment and let me know how you are today. What's your favorite beauty trend? What you're working on in your life. I want to know about my followers. I want to know about you guys. How are you winning? I guess that's my question. How are you winning today? What is your biggest blessing? What are you showing gratitude for? Those are the things that we should wake up and be excited to talk about and excited to think about. So I've already done my morning skincare regimen. I've added in our new Belif, OMG, Aqua Bomb. It is fabulous. Of course, my Skinvincible Day Cream with my SPF 50 and my Mommy Protector with my Depuffing Eye Serum because, girlfriends, these bags are going on forever. That's okay. And then I just applied my ink lasting primer because we all need a little bit of prime to help cover up some of this redness. Also to help your makeup stay in place, fill in those pores, fine lines, and wrinkles because nobody got time for none of that stuff to be showing. So I'm going to go now. Oh, actually, I'm going to go ahead first with my ink lasting foundation in the shade Porcelain. Watch this. Ooh, it's a cushion. It's a cushion. It's not going to dump. It's a little sponge. Take your thing and bam. I'm not emerald. So this morning I wanted to chat with you guys about how we talk to ourselves. You see, I just got home from a weekend conference with my company and we had an amazing time. We had a cocktail party. And then we had a formal party, which was so much fun. And, you know, they're taking your picture and you're all dressed up. You know, it becomes really relevant to me whenever I'm with my Avon sisters that, you know what, maybe we don't look the same. Maybe we don't talk the same. Even maybe we don't think the same. But my poor resident photographer, which was my friend and my roommate, had to take about 50 pictures of me to find one picture that I actually liked. And I was thinking yesterday as I was looking through those pictures that, you know what, I know that I'm not as small as my other friends that maybe I took pictures with. Maybe I don't have the same natural beauty that they have. I feel like Magix won in Marshmallow. I'm going to go down in a triangle. I mean, maybe I don't look the same, right? I will tell you, my biggest thing in those pictures was that I have the most pasty white complexion that you have ever seen. And so as I was scrolling through all the pictures that my friends had posted, and, you know, I have some friends that I'm telling you, maybe even in their 40s and 50s, they still look like supermodels. And I'm over here like, girlfriend had a Coke for lunch. It was good. You know, and I'm like, I don't spray tan. I don't suntan because I'm going to be honest with you guys. I don't like to do all that stuff. It's just, I know as much makeup as I wear, y'all are like, right, Jennifer. It's too much. The spray tanning and the laying in the tanning bed or going outside to tan. I respect people that do it. I love people that do it. It's just too much for me. Like, I just don't have the energy to do all that. I'm going to go ahead now and I'm going to line these brows with my Glimmer Stick dark brown eye pencil. So it became very evident to me as I was scrolling through all these pictures yesterday that, girlfriend, you need to shed some pounds. You need to get a tan on those arms because they were super white. And you need to cover those things up because they are massive. And I was just picking myself to death. How many of you guys do that? How many of you look at a picture maybe of your family, look at a picture that a friend posts of you two together, and you pick yourself to death? In fact, I was talking to one of my friends last night, and she was like, girl, that's why I don't post any pictures of myself. She's an Avon representative. She's like, I don't post any pictures of myself. I was like, okay. She's like, I don't want to see that. I don't know, anybody else doesn't want to see that. I'm like, look, so when you're dead and gone and there's not a picture of you, one, for your family to have, I guess you're going to be okay with that. That's what you're okay with, and that's okay. I'm going in now with translucent loose powder, you guys, and I'm blending and I'm highlighting a little bit that under eye concealer. I'm just kind of blending it all together. But, you know, I understand not everybody is in the beauty business, and maybe you're not posting tons of selfies or taking lots of pictures of yourself, but I know that everyone has stopped for a minute whenever they've posted a picture of themselves and been like, girl, you need a tan, or girl, you need to lose some weight, or girl, that dress was not flattering on you. But you know what? In light of everything in this world, how much time are you going to spend on picking yourself to death? I mean, yes, we need to be healthy. We need to make healthy choices. I totally agree with that. I'm going to use the Send Roses palette this morning. But it doesn't do you any good to sit and pick yourself to death. Sometimes we just need to love ourselves where we are. I'm mixing this one and this one. We just need to love ourselves where we are. Be thankful for the opportunities that we have, and quit picking ourselves apart. And that is totally what I had to come to last night, because I could sit and, you know, crop and figure out any way I could to alter the image, but it's not going to change the weight that I have. Or let me use this one next. Put just a little bit of a triangle here on this outside. I don't know why this particular brush, maybe because it needs to be cleaned, will kind of layer up on there. But you know, you get to choose. I don't filter my pictures. I don't use any of those filters. Not because I don't want to, but mainly because I want you guys to know that I'm real. These makeup tutorials that I do are real. And what I, you know, put on my body is real. Okay, I'm going in now with this pinkish thing here. And I'm just going to make a block right here in the middle. Ooh, 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 ooh. And because it's a lot of time to sit and do all those filters, I don't got a lot of time. 9 times out of 10, the celebrities that we follow, they have people that do that stuff for them. That sit and doctor all their photos, make them look slimmer, make them their skin look airbrushed. So I'm doing this gold now. And I'm just coming into this middle part and I'm bringing it out. And I'm using this gold as a color to just kind of blend all of this together. So if you think that you're looking at your celebrity pictures and they're all authentic and real, I hate to tell you, girlfriend, they have flaws too. And that's the thing. We all do. But whenever you wake up and you decide that, you know what, I don't care about my flaws anymore, I'm going to live my best life. Okay. There we go. Blended that outside just a little bit more. Woo, girl. You are rocking it this morning. Got some color on there. But you know, whenever you quit worrying about what everybody else thinks, quite frankly, people aren't normally talking about you because they're more worried about themselves. But it's hard for us to sometimes realize that. So we internalize everything. I'm using my extended liquid liner. we go. Okay, this is coming together. I'm liking this eye look. So maybe you're not the skinniest in your group. Maybe you're not the darkest in your group. Maybe you're not the prettiest in your group. But you know what? If you really surround yourself with people that love you and care about you, that stuff doesn't matter. So quit comparing yourself up against celebrities who have perfect, I'm looking for my mascara. Love mascara. Quit comparing yourself to celebrities who have, you know, artists that do all kinds of filtering. Even people on Instagram and Facebook who know how to doctor up their pictures to make it look like they have some not perfect, you know, image that is totally skewed. Nobody's perfect. So quit self-talking in a negative way. I think that we as women are the first ones to pick ourselves apart. And start lifting yourself up. Say, girl, you rocked that dress. Or girl, your makeup, it was on point. Be like, hey girl, hey, you're winning. You got out of bed today. You put a little bit of mascara on. You got dressed. You put your clothes on the right direction. You're winning. Because especially for me as a mom, life is hard. I'm going to use my moisture cushion in coral. Life can get tough. So you can't be beating yourself up while everybody else takes a turn. You have to be the one that is at least telling yourself, you know what? You got up this morning, you put some clothes on, you brushed your teeth, maybe you put a little bit of mascara on, and you're on your way out the door and you're like, girl, you can do this. You can tackle this day. You can accomplish anything that you want to. Make you a list. What are your top 3 things you have to get done today? You need to do your laundry, wash your dishes, and I don't know, maybe go grocery shopping. Make your list and make it happen. Quit sitting back and worrying about how other people look, comparing yourself to how other people are doing things, and just rock your life. You only get one of them. So quit comparing yourself. Quit talking negatively to yourself. Celebrate the small victories. If you got up today, if you got dressed, if you put a little bit of makeup on, then you're winning. Celebrate that victory. I'm going to try this Devoted here. The last time I had my teeth clean, I don't know what the heck happened. Something happened to my teeth. So maybe I'm not winning in that category. That's okay. I'm going to mix Ambitious with this. It's just going to help tone it down a little bit. Ooh, it turned out good. So I mixed Ambitious and Devoted. What do you think? So I have to get ready for the rest of my day. Thank you guys for getting ready with me. If you like these tips, if they were helpful to you, drop me a comment, share this video. Be sure that you like this page and let other people know, hey, come get ready with Jennifer. She's going to give you a little pep talk and a little makeup tip, and we're going to have a great day. If you want to shop for any of these products, you can do so at youravon.com/J Wolsey, WOLSEY. So check out my website. Let me know what you think. I hope that you guys have a fantastic day. Be nice to yourself. You are beautifully and wonderfully made. Have a great day. Bye, guys.